Hi everyone, this is Janet Smith. I just want to quickly show you how you can import an image file of an activity sheet into Jamboard and then use it with your students online. So if you're not familiar with Jamboard, it's a whiteboard that's free that you can access via your Chrome browser. It's created by Google. Just go to jamboard.google.com, and if you've never created a jam, you'll get a blank screen like this, and you tap the plus sign to create a jam, and that just opens a blank whiteboard. And there are some tools here that you can do a lot of different things with, but I just want to show you how to import that activity sheet right now. So I have that prefix plus base word plus suffix activity sheet in a file on my computer. I've downloaded it and I have it saved in a file. So I'm going to add an image to this Jamboard. And since I'm getting it from my computer, we will browse and upload from the computer. And I have it saved in a file. So now it's just importing into the jam, and I will put it in a corner and resize it, and it's ready to go. So the way you and your student can actually work on this, you can share your screen and share control via Zoom, and they can just work on it that way. But if your student is not able to have shared control in Zoom, you can also share this file if you look up here, and they can have access to it that way. But what you would do to type in this, you would get the text box tool and click. So it creates a text box, so I'm just going to type in a prefix. And then you have to go and create another text box to type in a base word. And you have to click one more time to type in a suffix. And once you have these boxes created, they stay there. You can just delete the word and reuse them. And then, the student would look at the prefix, base, and suffix to be added together, and they'd stop and consider whether they need to use a double drop or change rule and adding the suffix, which in this case they don't. Then you create one more text box for them to type the answer. And that's all you need to do. And then you click on, if you double click, you can highlight and type a brand new word in on any of those boxes. So that's how you can upload and use this file, and it needs to be an image file. But then you or your student can type on it or use some of the other tools here. There's a writing tool, sticky notes, a lot of things you can explore. But hopefully this gives you the basic idea of how you can add this to your tutoring and use it as an activity with your student.